So today I'm going to show you how to use the Apple Mac to record your desktop. First, press the Command, Shift and 5 altogether from your keyboard. And you will see this toolbar showed up on the screen. So this one, the left one, you can choose to capture the entire screen, and then the middle one is capture selected windows. You can drag and drop, and then you can choose the capture selected portion. It's very efficient because sometimes you can just focus on certain area to share. And this is a stop recording button, and options and captures. Capture is when you click, it will just capture the photos. So normally when you press the Command Shift 5 and when you started recording, when you click recording, the toolbar will disappear. Don't be panic. You can press Command Shift 5 again and it will pop up. So, and then you can share with others what you want to talk about, what you want to introduce. After you finished your recording, you can just click stop screen recording, and the file will be automatically saved to your desktop.